Bliksem. Julle, Suid-Afrika gons oor hierdie goed. Check die volgende klip, ek gaan julle wys wat hier aangaan. Ek het sommer klaar in hierdie bord geklim, soos julle sien, is hy al klaar leeg. Maar check hierdie plek, Bliksem Food Co. Julle sal my nie glo nie, ek wil vir julle 'n bietjie wys wat het ek gekry in 'n pakkie wat ek bestel het. Die lekkerste goed nog. I came to the other side of the plate because this side was too lovely. But let me show you a South African company, everyday cooking, they've got it all. Let me show you in the pictures. Bliksem, this spice was phenomenal. I must tell you, the slop chip spice was the first thing I've opened once this box arrived at my house. Speedy delivery, it didn't even take much time. But remember, there's many flavors to choose from. Give it a go, you'll enjoy it. Now I'm also going to try this. This is an Italian salad dressing, and then next to it is the barbecue Yankee spice. I can't wait to use this. Guys, you can head over to their website and you can contact them there. Don't delay, they are just an email and an order away. You'll enjoy this, and this is what they sent me just to say thank you for supporting them. Yes, it's Bliksem's lekker. They even sent me a mirror so that I can see the smile on my face every time when I use this product. Thank you, Bliksem. I really enjoyed it.